Hello and welcome to this short intro about how to filter and adjust data grids within OfficeExpert. So let's have a look. What you have here is the OneDrive data grid, so there's the second layer of simulation results basically. And what we have here is a bunch of simulation bots with sending result data into this data grid. So I have here starting with the bot Berlin up to the bot Tokyo bot information. And basically what you can do within this data grid is a lot of stuff. So first of all, you can filter, or you can sort it based on ascending and descending stuff. So you just click on the column name itself. You can even drag and drop columns from one position to the other. So for instance, if I'm interested just to have the total amount of milliseconds in front of the bot name, then you can simply do that. And you can even do that for the whole category if you like. So moving and drag and drop them to the position you like is one possibility. But that's not really everything. What you further can do is something like that. You can click here on this toast icon, select the second tab, and what you see or what you get here is a kind of list of available content based on this, in that case, the title column. So I see that I have three values inside of this title column, and you can easily uncheck all the things which you don't want to see right now. So for instance, I'm interested just to see the EMEA simulation bots or bots coming from this region. So you just uncheck the APAC and the North American one, and your data grid would look like this. So you filter it based on certain search criteria or filter criteria. So you can switch it back if you like, based on your needs. And last but not least, you have the option to hide or unhide certain columns. So by default, you have this kind of column structure. But for instance, if you are not interested in the data reported column, for instance, you just simply uncheck this checkbox, and basically the column is then gone. And you can re-add them, or you can add also some other columns. So this is also a nice functionality to customize your data grids based on your needs. So it's, as you have seen, it's pretty simple. Have fun with it. Thank you.